Welcome back to the vlog. It's qualifying block 3, the TOC. We're currently in 16th place. We have 6 more games before we cut to the top 24 for match play. It's all the same. You know, we're probably going to throw European on the fresh for a game or so, and then we'll see where the lanes take us.
Pressure on the move, I can't let up. I wanted this, all of it, full measure. No breaks, no escape, no plan B. Thick skin, I'm strapped in, I won't leave. Overdose, burn the boats, I'm all in. If I rise, then high tide, we all win. I strategize, I'm baptized in greatness. I thank you for your patience, history in the making. Yeah, I was born ready with a hunger. Yeah, feel it every step, it's humongous. Yeah, came with the rain and the thunder. Yeah, rise, this is royalty among us, yeah. You feeling near, I feel alive. I'm limitless, reach for the sky. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. We on the way, we on the rise. Yeah, if you want it, come get it. Yeah, if you want it, come get it. Get your hands up, ready, set, here we come. You ready, yeah? Hands up. You good will be great. We can't afford to play safe. You want it now, well don't wait. You miss all the shots you don't take. Hey, yeah, I know what you told me. If you want it that bad, then show me. You gotta want it more than I do. Cause I see the greatness inside you. Yeah, we may rise, we may fall. Yeah, but we got way more in store. Don't slow down, we can't afford to. Yeah, they so great they can't ignore you. We ain't come to break even. We ain't done, we ain't leaving. We don't stop, we don't quit. You want the victory? Well, here it is. Yeah, if you want it, come get it. Yeah. If you want it, come get it. So hands up, ready, set, here we come. You ready, yeah? Take a step, on the edge. Give it all, nothing left. Get your hands up, ready, set, here we come. You ready, yeah? Hands up, ready, set, give it all, nothing left. Hands up, ready, set, here we come. You ready, yeah? Hands up, ready, set, here we come. Get your hands up, ready, set, here we come. You ready, yeah? Hands up, ready, set, give it all, nothing left.
Definitely not the start we're looking for. I'm not the most comfortable, mostly due to some poor ball choices, but just gotta get in the right part of the lane and the right ball quicker.
Rest in peace to my age of innocence. I went to hell and back to clear my mind. Yeah, I'm toxic and they want a taste of it. I'll do you dirty just to catch a bite. I'm a straight up killer, and I'ma eat you for dinner. Ice in my veins like winter, and I like it like that. It feels so good to be bad. Feels so good to be bad. Feels so good to be. I'ma go savage every time. I'ma go psycho out of my mind. It feels so good to be bad. Found a devil in the cars, ain't scared of it. I kinda like it when I get too close. Light me up like a match and take a hit. Watch the city go down in smoke. I'm a straight up killer, and I'ma eat you for dinner. Ice in my veins like winter, and I like it like that. It feels so good to be bad. be bad.
So Darren finished at 202 for game 5, which puts him at 250 some odd over. I think 258. I think he's out of the number now. I might be wrong because the scores haven't updated yet, but with the way the cut's been moving, every single game, he's out. So he really needs a big one. This is his last chance. This is the last game. I'm not even interviewing him because I don't want to bother him. Just gotta let him stay in his process and just bowl.
For me to give that many frames away. That last game was the only game I bowled good. And even on the right lane, I needed to get him like an arrow for the right down lane. And I was just trying to make sure I caught it so much that I didn't let myself throw it there.
Yeah, it just kept slipping away. You could see it every game, just like you lose a few, lose a few, lose a few. Eventually people are going to figure it out. Is it a ball thing? Or just an execution?
I think it was both. I never put myself in a good position to just repeat shots. Like the first couple blocks, I was always, just making those micromanaging moves, and my pocket just felt so small today.
It was.
And then we bowled on the two worst pairs in the building, apparently. That didn't really help. Didn't exactly give me a lot of potential to put anything up. But even then, grind out 210, 220. And bowl anything over 210 today.
You never got that one.
I kept telling myself, I was like, you're going to hit a pair where you can get.
Right.
And I thought that was the last pair.
Well, you had it was always like a double and then a 4-pin or a 7-pin or like there was that one little where you just the one hit where it just kind of.
Yeah, it was like where everything went right yesterday, everything went wrong today.
Right.
Yeah, this one hurt. Yeah, there's days where you don't bowl well. It's like, I just need to be better. Today was one of those days where I was feeling a little bit of pressure, and they started scrolling the score, so obviously every game I'm seeing what the cut number is and seeing it move, and my look wasn't great. And my discomfort made it a little worse. So it's just a combination of all those things. I'd never put up a number. I never had the look. And oh, thank you, appreciate it. And yeah, made a run the last game. I had 240 working with 2 frames to go. 710 the ninth on not the greatest shot. I mean, I gave it a chance, but I didn't give the lanes what they were asking for. So, I mean, even then, I think I needed 230 and change to make it. So I strike 9th and 10th. I'm in. In my head, I was like, that's the minimum that needs to happen. And then, yeah, just never got comfortable today. And it didn't help that I don't think our cross was ideal. Call it excuses if you will, it's just a fact. You know, a big part of bowling out here is who you cross with, who you follow, and what lanes and what part of the house you hit at any given time. And yesterday, it wasn't bad. Today, it wasn't the greatest, but I mean, guys on my pair bowled well. I think Kyle had 200, or he had close to 100 over. Molly bowled good. So there was no reason for me to get at least enough to make it today. I only needed like 60 over. So it stings, it hurts, but we got to get over it and move forward. I think we finished 29th.
Chris made it.
Chris did make it. On to the next.